Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we are going to do like a small modification that I ordered online. A red start stop button. So yeah. So as you can see, I still have the stock start stop button in black. But after seeing it in real life, you know, this is an extra ring around it. But after seeing it in real life, the red one, I think it looks actually kind of cool. So I decided to swap it. And this red circle I'm actually also going to remove, and then I'm going to change it for a silver trim to have like a pretty unique look. But anyway, to remove this, I have seen on YouTube actually, because believe it or not, most thing I just found it on YouTube. The thing that I've seen is that you need to pry between these two and then you can get it loose. But I'm gonna put my camera down because I will probably need all the effort with my two hands. So yeah, like I thought it was, it's like prying. Just, you know, in this area, if you pry a little bit, you can get underneath and then you just can put it out and basically just unplug it. So it's as simple as that. And then we have to, I think, remove these plastic clips. Try not to break them, and yeah. So what you then have to do is, like I said, these plastic tabs, they go over that plastic and you just have to very carefully unplug them. I've managed to not break any of these, so I'm a very happy person. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. And now you have to remove the button, which is, I think, a pretty simple job. But I still have to watch on the tutorial how exactly you have to do it. So there are like two white little plugs there, and these you have to take out. So you have to pick something fine. So I had to pick the tooth picker, and I hope that this works, and otherwise I will need to get something better. So like I said, you just have to plug these two little things out from here, and then you just basically take your red button, you plug it in, and you assemble everything. So basically I take my red button here, if I can open it. Come on. Good. I'm actually in a hurry for the alignment. The lowering springs video will be up very soon. So you take your red button, and here is the, your button holder. You just plug these in, and you should make sure it clicks. As simple as that. Then you take this, assembly is way easier, and you just also plug it in, make sure it sits correctly, which it wasn't. So you plug that in, easy as that. And you just take your connector. I can't show it because it's in the car. You just take that, plug that back in, and voila, like I said. So you just put that back in, and then you put this back in its place, and it's as simple as that. So really not a hard job. But now I have to go because the alignment appointment is like a few minutes. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see now, the red start button looks way cooler as the standard button. I removed the red trim around it because I think that the sportive red and the darker red don't go that well together. I'm also probably going to remove these trims for blue ones. I don't know, maybe because it's not really. It's on the picture it was like this bright red, but in real life it's always different. Long live Alibaba. No, it's AliExpress, but anyway. But yeah, I mean, this looks pretty cool. Like I said, I removed the red trim, it's lying over there. Yeah, it's like a cheap, cool modification. The originals from BMW BMW are like stupidly expensive, and this one was like a few euros. So yeah. So it's another little tweak for the interior, nothing majorly. It was also pretty damn cheap. But yeah, anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something about it. Like, tutorials are not my best thing, and I'm going to overtake someone who is driving very, very slow. That's better. And they're flashing their lights, of course. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I know it's not the most informative one. I just suck at doing, you know, tutorials. I can't hold a camera. I need my two hands, so, and I don't have, you know, place to put my camera over here in the car. But I, you know, if you want to know how to do it, you can always search it on another YouTube video like I did. And you know, it's pretty simple. Took me 5 minutes. You just need some squeezers and, you know, pry tools so you don't damage your interior. You can use a screwdriver, but I don't like to use that because, you know, it's metal and you can't actually break something because it's all just plastic over here. So I'd rather not break anything on my car, and, you know, not on places that you can see it. If I broke like a clip inside, it would suck, but it wouldn't be the worst thing because, you know, the other clips would probably still hold it just as fine. I'm glad I didn't break anything, but yeah. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Also, a quick note, since editing this video, I just gained my 800 subscriber. So I want to say thank you very much, guys. Thanks for the support. And the channel is getting there, where we are slowly but steadily, you know, growing each day, and I'm very, very happy. So thank you, guys, and there's a lot of good content still coming.